Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to find a mentor on the Cardiff Connected platform. The first thing that you'll do is when you're on your main feed, click on mentoring on the left-hand tab. That will take you to this page where the platform will suggest you mentors based on the information that you have uploaded on your profile. So as you can see, these are the closest matches to my profile. And below that, you can also find mentors in your area. So the platform is showing me mentors in Cardiff. And if you go below there, you will also see mentors by job function. So as you can see, there are 145 mentors who are currently working in the media and communications field. Let's say that I want to talk to somebody more specific. So what I can do is I can go up and click on find your own mentor, and this will take me to the main directory where on the right hand side I have these options to apply different filters to my search. So for example, let's say that I want to talk to someone who's graduated before me and who's currently in Cardiff and who can help me get a job in the city. So in the Cardiff University, under there, I can say that I want to talk to someone from the class of, say, 2015. That sounds about right. And also in my location, I will go and enter Cardiff. So now I have these two filters applied on my search, and the platform will automatically display the relevant people that can help me. And suppose I want to talk to Ellen. She seems nice. I will click on her profile. And if you see here, it says that she's offering mentoring. That means that she's willing to help you, and you can go ahead and request mentoring. Once you click there, it will ask you to choose the kind of mentoring that you want. Let's say that I want to talk informally and I just want something very casual. I will just go ahead there and type my message to Ellen, and then I will press send. Now this is where the request has been sent, and you can check up on that request in the mentoring relationships tab. And that's it.